Hey guys, this is Matt from Govee, and I'm so proud to share with you one of our new products. This is our Flow Pro light bars. These light bars are super easy to use, they're very affordable, and they add interactive lighting to any of your TV and PC setups.
Now let's start unboxing.
These are the stars of the show, our Flow Pro light bars.
Here's everything included in the box. Next, let's check out how Flow Pro actually works. Let's begin with our ColorSense technology. Flow Pro can capture the colors on your TV or monitor screen via the included camera and apply these colors automatically to the light bars. This means your light bars can be interactive and change in real time with what you're watching. We've also included music mode, so the Flow Pro can use its built-in microphone to react to the audio or music you're listening to. Lastly, Flow Pro can display multiple colors at the same time using our RGBIC independent control technology, and this also allows you to create your own unique DIY light effects.
This has been a sneak peek at our brand new Flow Pro light bars. You can order them right now exclusively on Govee.com, and we're running some great deals. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.